Hello fam, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be on my self-care glow up tips because honestly you guys, the last couple of weeks I have not been feeling cute at all. I have been super exhausted chasing around Henry. He is walking now. I thought having a newborn was tough, but having a toddler is tougher in so many different ways. If you guys are watching this, mamas, parents, send some comments and words of wisdom below how to deal with like this roller coaster ride of having to deal with work, life, this balance. It's just like so hard for me. That's why today's video is going to be a self-care day for me, and it's going to be super chill. I hope you guys enjoy it. I need to do some nail care, some face care, and a little bit of a massage at home that I can't wait to show you guys what I've been using. It is freaking amazing because I don't really want to go outside for a massage, COVID and everything, so at home self-care, here we go. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, let's get started. To start the skincare routine, I'll be using the Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. It's formulated with papaya extract and grapefruit extract, which helps rejuvenate and refreshes the skin. I use about a quarter size amount and apply this all over the face. It's very nice and gentle on the skin, and it leaves it really bright and refreshed. It helps remove excess oil and any building surface impurities to help with the complexion. I've been using Badescu products for a really long time, and I love how it's so gentle on the skin and they're really effective. Back to cleansing, I'll do this for about a minute or so and then rinse with warm water and then get into exfoliation. Here I'll be using the Henrikson Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. This is a really nice scrub that helps polishes and helps reduce the size of pores with the AHAs, lemon peel, and sugar. Now be warned that if you do have any redness or irritation or maybe cuts or something, I would definitely wait for that area to heal before putting this on because it will sting. After using the scrub, my skin feels extremely smooth, and that's because of the high potency of AHAs in it. It has 10% glycolic and lactic acids, which chemically exfoliate and visibly even the texture of the skin. It's also free of parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, it's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, which is a big bonus. My skin honestly feels amazing. Now I'm going to get into steaming my face because what is a facial without steam? This is just my nifty steamer I use in all of my videos. I just got it off Amazon. If you're interested in this powerful face steamer, I'll link it down below. I have peach fuzz everywhere now, you guys. I have not been razoring my face at all. I've been way too busy, but today I'm making the time for it. The areas where I have the peach fuzz is like on the upper areas of my forehead and on the chin and also near the jawline. So I'm just gonna go in the direction of the hair and gently razor the peach fuzz off. Once I do this, my skin feels so much softer and it's just cleaner around the edges, and also it makes it smoother for makeup application as well. A great skincare tip for after you shave or after you razor your face is to use a toner. This is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. Now that is a mouthful. It is an alcohol-free toner and it's great for combination and oily skin. I love using some cotton pads and just dousing the toner in it and then swiping it all over the face and neck. What's also great about this toner is that it is water light and contains a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores, which is really crucial, especially if you haven't done a facial in a long time like I have. This is a must do. You guys, I don't even remember the last time I did a sheet mask. It's been so long. That's why this one called out to me. It is the Pacifica Stress Rehab Coconut and Caffeine Facial Mask. It is great for redness, puffiness from too many late nights, and not those kind of late nights, you guys. Late nights that include a baby and just being overly exhausted. So this is definitely something I need today. I also really like the detail of the cutout hearts for the eyes. Very nice, very cute. And this mask, once put on, actually does feel a little bit tingly. There's a little bit of coolness and I can feel it working. It's also really good for stressed skin, which I definitely have. I leave this on for about 10 minutes and then I just remove. I can see that it's been penetrating to the skin. And a reminder, when you do your masks, don't rinse it off, just let it absorb. Put it into the skin, use your fingers and bring it down the neck, and even put a little bit on your fingernails if those are dry. Just try and use all of that moisture because I know some masks do pack a lot of hydration and moisture in it. Just use it everywhere else. Now let's get into nail care, because you guys, it's been so long since I have been to the salon. I usually go to Varnish in Vancouver and I haven't been there in such a long time. I miss it so much, but as of now I'm doing my nails at home. I also bought this electric nail file, which has been a godsend because it just buffs my nails so nice and smooth, and when I put my polish on, it just goes on perfectly. And it's just much easier to use than just manually doing it. An electric filer is just so much better. When it comes to my nails, and especially when I'm doing them myself, I am the most basic person, and also I just don't trust myself to do really bright and bold colors because I'm just not mastered at applying my nail polish that way yet, so I'm just gonna keep it really simple. I also bought this Cuticle Pusher, which is really nice to just even out the nail beds because my cuticles actually come up quite far. So pushing them a little bit totally is fine, but I don't push them in too much just because it kind of hurts afterwards. So I'm just gonna get this all done, prepped, and then I'm gonna use my favorite butter at London, the Horsepower Nail Rescue Base Coat. And guys, this is all I use. I've been using this for the last 5-6 months, and I love this polish. It's just a clear polish, but it's actually good for your nails, and I just feel they just make them look so natural, and it's nice, and I just love it. I'm gonna do all of my nails. I'll do the other side, but I'm gonna show you that because that's pretty straightforward. And then I'm gonna be using the Essie nail oil because my nails these days are so dry and brittle, and my fingers too, even the skin around it, just because of all the sanitization and all the washing. Having this oil is definitely helpful. I just put it around the cuticles and just make sure to rub it in, and then ta-da! Brand new nails, feeling like a new person. And to top off the hydration for my fingers, because it's still probably a little bit dry, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Lotion in Oat Blossom. This stuff smells great, it's very hydrating. I also use the body lotion as well. It's just one of my favorite all-time moisturizers. Now for massage, you guys, my ThermaGun is my new best friend when it comes to giving myself some massage near my neck area and my back because of always being on the computer and also carrying a 25-pound baby. There's just a lot of added stress and tension in these areas, so I love using my ThermaGun. This is the ThermaGun Mini, and my pain points are around the neck and shoulder area and my back. Also my shoulder blades. I work at a computer, edit, filming, sitting a lot, so this area definitely gets overstretched. My arm T says I need to stretch the front of my body and do more front exercises to strengthen the neck, the back, and the arms, so that's definitely something I need to work on. Another area that I love using the ThermaGun on is my feet. I used to live in an apartment where there was carpet all over, and I never really had any sort of calf tightness or muscle tightness in my leg area, but now that my house has hardwood flooring throughout, it's really taken a toll on my knees, my calves, so I've definitely been using this for releasing that tension and just to massage out those kinks. And this honestly feels so good, you guys. And please don't mind my heels. I know they're cracked. I do need to put some lotion on them. But just wanted to show you guys my little self-care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!